Colton, what are you having for dinner?
Broccoli.
Is broccoli your favorite? Is the broccoli going into your tummy? Show me, where is it? It's in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it yummy broccoli? You're doing a great job.
More broccoli.
You love broccoli? Good job. Does Mommy make the best broccoli? Did you go fishing today? In the boat? Did Daddy go swimming?
Yeah.
In the lake? Did you put your feet in the lake? Was the water warm? Or was it really cold?
Very cold.
Yeah, it was really cold. You're doing a great job, Levy. Eating all your broccoli. You're going to be big and strong, just like Daddy.
Come on.
Yeah, there's more broccoli in there. In your tummy. Are you going to play soccer tomorrow night?
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Stop now.
Yeah.
Play soccer now.
Are you wearing your doggy pajamas? Are there doggies on your PJs, or are those kitty cats?
Dog.
Yeah, those are doggies.
Dog.
Say night-night. Night-night. Wave. Night-night.
Night-night, Mama.